All right, y'all, in this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all step by step exactly how you can go from $0 to $100 per day with CPA marketing in 2021, man. It's gonna be a very, very valuable video. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything important. And before we get started to this video, I want to do a giveaway of my 5-course bundle, which basically goes over Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Instagram marketing, Bing ads marketing, and even more than that. So if you want to enter a giveaway of that course, all you gotta do is like this video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and turn on post notifications, because why not? I'm gonna be selecting the winner on my next video, more than likely. So make sure you follow those 3 steps to enter the giveaway. If you don't want to wait, you could of course just buy it by clicking the link in the description of this video or in the comment section down below. Now, without further ado, let's get straight into it. So starting out, man, I feel like everybody should just be focusing. Well, I'm gonna go over offer focus right now. I feel like, especially as a beginner, you should be focusing on low payout offers that pay out anywhere from $1 to $10. So that's more than likely a single opt-in, a double opt-in offer, or one of those like free trial offers. Those are the ones you want to focus on because those are the easiest to convert, especially starting out as a beginner. You want to get your first few commissions, your first $100 a day. You could easily do it with low payout offers. You don't need to promote offers that pay out $100, $50, $70, and stuff like that, because it just requires a lot. And especially, like I said, as a newbie, you want to get the results fast. You definitely want to stick to the low payout offers. Niches I recommend right now is ecom, freebies, downloads, single opt-in, or double opt-in. Now, for those of you that don't know, single opt-in is basically where somebody could just go to the website, enter their name, email address, maybe a birth date, and click on submit. That's a single opt-in. Now, double opt-in, they got to do all of those steps in a single opt-in, but they got to go to their email and confirm it. So you know how you sign up for something, you got to confirm your email address. That's basically what double opt-in is. Those are offers you really want to focus on. I already got an example that I want to use for the rest of this video, and it's inside the ecom niche, which is very good, and it's compliant with Facebook. So definitely make sure the offers you promoting is compliant with Facebook. Make sure it's white hat by going over their policies on your own to go see what offers you can and cannot promote, because unless you got like a bunch of backup Facebook ad accounts, you're going to really, like, say for instance, you promoting a dating offer or something like that, which is banned on Facebook. It's not even worth, even though it might convert for you in, for a few days or whatever, Facebook, they just gonna shut you down and it's all for nothing. So you're better off just promoting something that's compliant and that's scalable at the same time. So I feel like every beginner goal should be 100 clicks per day. This should be your daily goal. If you're not sending at least 100 clicks per day, don't expect to make $100 per day. I got this tip from Chanel Stevens. I'm pretty sure all y'all watching this already know what she is, but this is a very, very good goal to set. This should be your daily goal is of setting 100 clicks per day to whatever offer that you're promoting. Now, to do this, you only need 2 tools. You really only need one, but the other one is optional. First off, you need a landing page builder. Me personally, I use ClickFunnels. A lot of y'all know can't afford that $97 per month. So y'all opt for Builderall, Kartra, or Weebly, a free option. Either way, get you a landing page builder set up, buy you a domain name. You could buy some cheap ones, some .club, .info ones for $1 to $2, at the most $3 right now. But that's pretty much what I pay every single time I get a domain name. And second tool I recommend is a tracking software, because how bad would it be if you got 10 different assets that you run on Facebook and only 2 of them is profitable? You wouldn't know that unless you had tracking set up. So my favorite tracking tool that I'm using right now is ClickMagick. So my combination right now, my landing page builder, I'm using ClickFunnels, and my tracking software, I'm using ClickMagick. I know a lot of more advanced people use Volume, or I started out using ClickMeter and Bitly because it was free. So if you got a couple dollars, you know what I'm saying, you want to invest into your business, which I recommend y'all do anyway, is to go ahead and get the premium ClickFunnels and ClickMagick. I will leave links below if y'all want to go check those out and basically get started on a free trial with that. So now what I want to do is go over to my favorite CPA network and basically show y'all a live example of all of this stuff together. All right, so as you can see, I'm inside my Max Bounty account right now. It's a few different ways you can go find you some good offers to promote. You can either go to the Browse tab right here, which I'm already at. I don't really mess with the new campaigns because it's not proven to work. You can either go with top campaigns, trending campaigns, suggested for you by the stuff that you search on or the offers that you click on. They got recently viewed, recently approved, and bookmark campaigns. But me personally, I would either go straight to the top campaigns, trending, or I would reach out to my affiliate manager and ask her, Bianca, what's the top performing offers on Facebook. I mean, what's the top performing offers using Facebook ads right now, or whatever traffic source that you're using? So that's one easy way, because it's in your affiliate manager's best interest to give you converting offers, because when you win, they win. When you make commissions, they make commissions. So of course they're gonna throw you the best converting offers on whatever traffic source that you're using. Now, what I wanted to do is go and show y'all the offer I want to use for this example, and basically how to go and filter offers using the search bar. So if you run in social media like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or whatever, pretty much want to uncheck everything except for social media. So you do that real quick. Country, I don't really mess with this. Categories, like I said, ecom, freebies, downloads. What else did I say? I forgot. But for now, I'm gonna go with ecom. Approved to run, because I hate doing the filling out the. I mean, that's a golden tip though. The offers that you gotta request to get approved for is normally really good converting offers. But as a beginner, you want to just get up and running as fast as possible. Just pick the offer that you already approved to run. CPA type, you can do per lead. I never promoted rev share, so I don't know too much about it. But from there, you can just click on apply search options. Try to find that offer real quick that I want to use for this example. I like to sort it by EPC. This is basically the highest converting offers, sorted by greatest to least. So scrolling down, trying to find that offer right here. This offer pays out $9.60 per lead, and it has a 48-cent EPC. Now I'm gonna show y'all the EPC calculator and all that stuff, so y'all can know what all this stuff means. And this is basically a more coffee. They basically get 75% off of 2 bags plus free shipping. So if we open this landing page in a new tab, we can go check it out just to see where we're sending our traffic to. And it's a very basic landing page. When they click here to get 75% off, see where it takes them. They get to select a blend right here, espresso, select the grind, and leave it like that. Boom. So they enter their contact information, they shipping information, as well as their payment information, and boom, they get they sign up for the coffee subscription, and you will get paid easy $9.60 for sale. Now, mind you, this offer has a network EPC of 48 cents. Now, how you can calculate how many clicks per day you will need to send to this offer in order to get a conversion, I like to use this website called adcalc.net/EPC. So basically, you could punch in like, okay, if I sent 50 clicks per day, if every so basically, if every 50 clicks that you send and you got a conversion at 960, your EPC will be 19 cents. But the average EPC on this offer is 48 cents. So this actually requires less clicks to reach that network EPC. So if we brought it down to maybe 30, let's see. Now it's at 32 EPC. We need to get to 48. So maybe 25. Nope, that ain't it. Let's try 20. Boom, perfect. So on average, this offer is converting every 20 clicks that you send to his offer. So if every 20 clicks that you send to his offer, you was able to get a conversion, that means with 100 clicks per day, you could basically, let's do the math real quick. 9.6 times 5. You'll basically be making $48 for every 100 clicks that you send to his offer. Now, if you're paying, let's say on average 30 cents per click on Facebook, and you go send 100 clicks, you basically spending 30 to make 40, long story short. But if you send, let's say 200 clicks, you're going to be paying, if you send 200 clicks at 30 cents a piece, you're going to pay $60 to make 100. So it actually increases over time. So with 200 clicks per day, 10 conversions on this offer, you spending 60 to make 96. And of course, it just keep climbing from there on out. So EPC calculator, definitely recommend using this so you can know pretty much what your conversions is going to look like. Now, as far as like what would you use for ads and stuff like that, what I just found out, checking out this landing page, you scroll to the bottom, you can see they got their social media links right here. And if you watch my previous video, you know how to spy on winning Facebook ads by just finding a fan page, the exact fan page or a fan page related to it. So you scroll down to more coffees, you can see they've been active on this page. Last post was March 10th. If you scroll down to page transparency, click on see all. Right here, ads from this page. This page is currently running ads. Go to ad library, you can see the exact ads that they are running as we speak. So you can see They launched these ads in December 2020. They running it on Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, Messenger. They got 2 different ads running right here. So you can see they promoting their own offer. Long story short. So what I would do is I would go make an image or ad just like this using Canva. I wouldn't just steal theirs exactly. I just go make my own. You can see, working from home, need coffee. Subscribe to Amora Coffee for free, for fresh coffee delivered right to your door every month. So I'll basically mimic this and just create my own ad image or whatever, and probably rotate the ad copy in itself, and I'd pretty much be good to go. From there, you just need to create your own landing page to go send your traffic to, because of course you cannot direct link. That's the easiest way to lose your account, and I highly recommend. That's why I said earlier to go and grab a landing page builder. ClickFunnels to me is the easiest one to use, and yeah, man, that's pretty much that. Right now, I'm loading up the landing page just to see where they sending their traffic to. So I would basically mimic this landing page because our affiliate link takes them to this page right here. So I would basically mimic this one, and using ClickFunnels, all of these images, I'm pretty sure, yep, you can steal them. So right now, if I want to download this image, I can open it in a new tab, right click, save. Now the image is mine. I can put that on my landing page. I could copy this whole entire headline. I could copy this sub headline. I can make my call to action button order now. I could copy all of this text if I wanted to. I basically get the gist, man. Make it. Oh, they even got some the perks. You can put that on your ClickFunnels landing page as well. Making the landing page is easy. You got a good ad. Now you just need some targeting. So from there, you can just literally go punch in stuff related to coffee. I'm not the coffee expert or nothing, but let me see if I type in coffee, would it come up? Coffee maker or coffee, I don't know, coffee, let's see, coffee houses will come up. 35 to 40 million. You can go to page likes to get some more ideas, because right now I'm lost. Betty Crocker, Panera Bread, all recipes. You can type in stuff like Starbucks. Let me see, Starbucks Frappuccino. Oops, I'm up here clicking stuff. But y'all get the gist, man. You only, if you like completely brand new to the niche, you only need to know one broad niche or word related to it, and then you can just come over to page likes and then just find related pages or whatever that you can use in your targeting. But that's pretty much that, man. Once you find the offer you want to promote, you know what I'm saying, check out the EPC and see if it's something that you could do using the ad calculator. Using the EPC calculator. You basically know that you need to send at least 20 clicks to this offer to get 1 conversion. So from there, you could just optimize your ads, because right here, that's just, okay, paying 30 cents. What if you had an ad that you was paying 10 cents per click and you got 200 clicks? That means it's only costing you $200 to make 96 on this offer, because like I said, if every 20 clicks you get a conversion and you send in 200 clicks, that means that's 10 conversions. Hopefully I'm not confusing you. 10 conversions at $9.06. $9.60 is $96. So yeah, man, hopefully that wasn't too confusing for y'all. As far as like setting up the Facebook ad and stuff, I'm not about to go over that. Kind of just wanted to go over the exact $100 a day strategy that I use to even get to $400 or $500 in a single day with CPA marketing. But like I said at the beginning of this video, you can get access to the 5-course bundle by clicking the link in the description of this video. Or if you want to enter the giveaway and see if you can win it that way, of course, you can just like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn on post notifications, all that good stuff, man. And I will see you in the next video.